Morning guys, we are just doing a quick pressure test of the gas tank before we take it over to Rob's, just in case there are any air leaks or holes that need to be fixed. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's quite bad, isn't it?
It is a pretty
And then
good
that
one.
one there,
And then this one.
same again. That's the front mount for the badge, the embellishment. Yeah.
Oh, there, I can actually see where it is.
You can actually see it, a little
Yeah, there's a little
prick.
crack right there.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, on the edge, there's a crack right there.
Yeah, it's a decent leak, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back. So we're back over at Jeff's. I'm just going to do a quick pressure test of the gas tank since it had the welding done and the panel removed at the top to fix that dent. So we're going to do a pressure test first of all, and then we're going to seal the inside of the gas tank with this tank sealer here. Yeah, you can feel it.
Yeah, all right. So there's a valve here to turn the air on and off.
Okay.
The air's off.
All right, so there was two places then, Jeff. And what Rob's done, he's brazed round here.
Yeah.
So I think...
So it was, where do you want to put the air on?
Oh yeah, sorry, I thought it was on, yes.
Okay.
Please, yeah.
There you go, it's on now.
Oh, gives you a start. Nothing.
Nothing. And then the other place was
The other place was one of these...
Yeah, those mounting holes.
I forget which one it was.
I'll check them all.
Nothing there. Okay.
That again.
It's all right, I'll hold it.
Yeah, if you just hold it in there. Yeah.
Nothing?
Okay. I think you're good.
Excellent, excellent.
Maybe you can figure out how to do it, but if you can
Yeah,
just,
that's a good idea.
lay this over it.
Yeah.
I'll let you do it.
Yeah, thank you.
See, I think we're way overthinking it here. But this is good practice.
Yeah, just in case.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rob did an amazing job. He actually cut a great big hole here, you know,
right.
and he put it on an English wheel. He put the camber on it, and then he welded it, and then he
Nice, that's
finished
going to
it.
be a
It's
beauty.
yeah, it's going to be great.
Let's see.
So we're just making a funnel for the sealer.
Is there any last clean out involved with any liquid of any kind?
No, Mike's opted not to do any additional clean out
Okay.
because the tank has been professionally, he had it thoroughly cleaned out professionally.
Okay, there you go. Oh, that's right, he had it dipped.
Yeah,
was
it was put in an oven and baked and dipped and... I don't know, that's the best I can do, Mike.
All
If
right.
you want to try to do better...
No, that's
So
absolutely fine.
what's the process? I mean, you pour it in and then...
Stick the bung in, tape the bung down, and then we just slosh it around.
Shake.
Yeah, we were actually going to put it in Jeff's cement mixer, but it's so watery.
Oh, yeah.
We can do it by hand.
Thank you.
This is the best kind of work, isn't it? Sitting around with everybody else.
Absolutely. I'm ready for that. Doesn't happen too often.
I've got the door open.
We'll all be happiest.
Okay, here we go. Thought the guys might like to look at this behind me rather than me doing this.
Yeah, that's not too expensive.
Don't look at this, look at this. Okay, that's my workout for the day.
That doesn't look like it's milky looking.
It's like milk.
Oh, yeah.
That's
God,
thickened
it
up.
looks like paint.
Yeah, that's thickened up.
Yeah, I put the lid on because I was looking.
It's like paint, isn't it? It's like emulsion paint. Or all right, so that there, and take all this off.
Yeah, it's got pressure, hasn't it?
It has. Okay. Well, it's white. Think of the best way to get this.
Or it's sort of sideways so that if you get any drips, they'll be on the plastic. Did much come out?
Not a whole lot.
If you need help.
That's it now. A reasonable amount.
Well,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
that's quite a bit.
Yeah, it's
I'd say maybe a quarter.
Oh,
If you have a look, it's very lovely inside.
ooh, my goodness.
Doesn't that look
That looks like a
It's like
coated,
It's like
sanded.
porcelain, isn't it?
Oh my gosh! Now, how much junk are we getting down here? Take a look, Mike.
I guess what it is, it's more grey when there's just what looks like one
Yeah,
coat,
it is, isn't it?
and then you see it go
Okay.
a little richer.
Are you seeing what you want?
Yeah, and it's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, I like that a lot.
Hey.
Like you say, it's like a porcelain
Yeah.
bathtub or
Nice.
sink.
Then you just pull it with the phone.
I'm very happy with that. Yeah, that's really good.
Stuff.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Well, I'm gonna. What's that?
Look how much went back in.
Holy cow!
No way.
That doesn't seem right, does it?
How much
No
you got in?
way.
Yeah, it
No way.
just doesn't take much to coat.
Wow, it hardly is.
It's liquid. It's thin liquid, so yeah, that is.
I would have said like a quarter to a
I
half.
was expecting maybe a third. I wasn't.
Oh
even
my gosh.
Expecting a half to go back into the can. Huh.
I never
Can you
expected
seal
that.
it up good enough to use it again?
Well, that's what they say to do. Put it back
Yeah.
in the can, and then I
Whack
guess
the heck out of the top. I
seal the
probably-
can up.
So is that in?
Probably would do the two coats.
I think I will now.
I think
It's
you
just for
might.
us little
Having
safety.
seen that, I think you probably
I
should.
think I'd
yeah.
like a slightly thicker coat.
24 hours.
I honestly
Yeah.
thought that just, I mean, it felt like that was just a quarter or a half at the very most.
Yeah, that's way
Yeah, with
more.
the thick stuff I had, there was a lot less than that left over.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Melt into the.
It really is much thinner than I expected. It really is just like a milk. So here it is, just after a few minutes. It's still a little tacky. And as you can see, it's thinned out a lot. So I'm definitely going to give it another coat.